Hi guys, so today I'm going to be trying out the Falscara by Kiss Lashes. I am allergic to eyelash glue, so I thought that I would give this a try because nothing seems to work when it comes to eyelash glue. So hopefully this is like a better alternative and it can give my eyes a break from the allergic reaction I get from eyelash glue. So I'm going to use the Falscara with these wispies from Ardell. So it came with instructions, and first step is to take the bond. So this is two-sided. So I'm going to take the bond, and you're supposed to put it on natural lashes, but I have mascara on. So hopefully this still goes well. So we're just going to try it. My lashes are pretty long naturally, but I still like the extra volume and fullness that fake lashes give me. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. I'm going to take a medium wisp, and it just says to put it on, I'm taking off the excess glue, to put it on underneath of the lash. So I'm gonna put this on the edge. I can already feel it like being sticky. So, did I do it right? Oh my God. Okay, that was actually kind of difficult. Maybe it's just because like I've never done this before. I've never applied eyelashes under my natural eyelash. I've always done it over. So this is a different type of technique that I've never done. Okay, it's not working. So I think I'm gonna take off my mascara and try it with just my natural lashes. I took off my mascara, so let's try this again. I'm gonna take the bond and I'm going to apply some of it. It's really sticky, but I don't know if it's like wanting to stay. Okay, let's try another one. I think this method does not work. Wow, this is like, it seems simple, but it's kind of hard to work with. Oh God. Okay, let's just, I think the best thing is to apply bond and then apply a lash, because I feel like the bond dries really quickly, so it's kind of hard to work with. So I would say bond, then lash, bond, then lash. Okay, that one went on pretty easy. Okay, I think I did it. Ooh, that looks pretty. That looks like eyelash extensions. Okay, I really like that. Let's do the other side so that you can see. I feel like you couldn't really see what I was doing, what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna take the bond and just apply it to literally just the corner for now, because that's where I'm gonna go in first. I'm gonna take a medium wisp and make sure you remove the excess glue. And I'm just going to pop it right on. Okay, let's do another one. I love the idea of this. It's just kind of difficult, you know? Okay, I was kind of able to get another one on, but that's kind of what we're working with. So let's just keep trying. So what I'm doing right now is I am applying the bond in smaller sections instead of like to the entire eyelash all at once. So I'm gonna apply it now to this little section right here, because that's where the next eyelash is gonna go. And I got my eyelash, my little wisp ready. And then I'm just going to place it under my natural lash. And it should be that easy, but it's not. I'm just gonna try and stick it on even more. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. I think I did 4 mediums and then 2 smalls, so let's do another medium. I am having a really hard time. I think I did it. Okay, I think I did it. What do we think? I love how they look. They are just a B word to put on. This is not for beginners, like, at all. You should practice with strip lashes before you try and do this, because this is very difficult. And I don't even consider myself a beginner with strip lashes. Like, I wear them all the time, even though I'm allergic. But this was really hard. Okay, so now we seal. Apparently it's supposed to get rid of the sticky residue, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I don't know how long this will last. I feel like they'll last pretty long. They feel super comfortable. I don't even feel like I have lashes on my eyes. Then again, the lash trios are pretty lightweight in general, so that could be it too. But I've never worn lashes underneath my natural lashes, so this is a first for me as far as like a different application goes. But I love the outcome. I hate the process. It was very difficult. I think I just need to watch more videos and see how other people do it, because that was not a good time. That took a long time. I mean, strip lashes don't ever take that long to apply. So that's the only con for me. But if these don't give me any kind of allergic reaction, I mean, I'm gonna try it with strip lashes to see how it wears with those as well. So anyway, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have everything I use linked down below in the description box. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.